How to change email on Facebook. First, open up the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which should open up your menu. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top of your screen. When your settings are open, you want to scroll down and find the option of Profile Details. It is under Audience and Visibility. Once you open this up, you can find your contact info, and here you can find your email. So now tap on the Edit button next to Contact Info. Here you want to tap on Manage Contact Info. Now tap on Add Email Address. Over here you can add the new email address. Once you have typed in your new email address, tap on Add Email Address. So now you can find the option that says Pending. Now you want to confirm it, so tap on Confirm. Now go ahead and look into your email and then enter the confirmation code. So once you have entered the confirmation code, you want to open up the new email that you have set over here. Now tap on Make Primary. So now this will be your primary email account. This is how you can change email address on Facebook. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.